Time for new soap and sanitizer dispensers? We make it easy for you to give staff and visitors the brand they trust. With expert planning and installation services that take you from start to finish. Here's how it works. A GOJO operations specialist will be assigned to help guide you through all aspects of your conversion project. First, they'll coordinate a site assessment visit between our field service representative and your project champion. At your visit, our field service representative will walk through your facility alongside your project champion to determine what you need. Identify space for storage and staging, and check your dispenser placement for compliance. You will receive an electronic copy of your site assessment upon its completion. Once you place your order with your distribution partner and commit to installation with GOJO, we'll set an installation timeline. On installation day, our professionals will install and test your new dispensers. Cleanup, we've got you covered. Our team will make every effort to install throughout your facility. If some areas are off limits, we'll add them to a punch list along with any areas that may need painting or patching for your facility to complete. When everything is completed, we'll send a satisfaction survey to gather feedback on your installation experience. With GOJO's support before, during, and after installation, you are in good hands with the trusted leader in the sanitizing category.